Hey you gorgeous human being, I hope you're having a lovely day. You've seen already a title, you know exactly what we're gonna be doing. We're gonna be reviewing the makeup product and creating a makeup look with that. Before we're gonna jump into it, show some love to your girl. Press the button to subscribe. It's free, it doesn't cost anything. Everyone loves a freebie, right? Hit that thumbs up. Press the bell icon so you guys get notified when I upload new videos, and give your girl a follow on Instagram, cause why not? It's also free. Alright, without any further ado, let's see what we got. So I have in front of me the brand new Revolution Pro Rockstar collection. A whole collection in one big box. Not so big box, but it's a box. I'm super excited as Revolution Pro was super kind and they sent this to me to try out. So I think without any further ado, let's see what's inside. So we have in here is the Revolution Pro Rockstar Noir Edition Shadow Palette. Look at these shades, you guys. And then we have Revolution Pro Rockstar New Edition Shadow Palette. So good, that's so wearable shades as well. So I got more goodies in here. Visionary Gel Eyeliners. Looks super lovely. All metallic. Literally can't wait to try this. And I have in here is Revolution Pro Rockstar Matte Liquid Eyeliner. Waterproof, smudge proof, super long wear and so on. So sounds like an absolute dream. Can't wait to check this out. I want to do a proper review as I always do. No bullshit reviews, no matter if it's sponsored or no. So I want to do a proper review with swatches and everything. So I think I'm gonna review maybe one palette today. If you would like me to review all the products, I mean swatches and so on, leave a comment down below, let me know, and I'll make sure to film those videos and check all these products like proper in detail, in depth, and see if it's good or no. But for today I'm kind of tempted to try this Noir edition because these shades, guys, it just looks amazing. Alright, let's open this up and see what we have. This is brand new, by the way, guys. I haven't swatched it, opened it, or anything whatsoever, so I'm super excited. Love the packaging, by the way. Love this like super sleek black and gold look. This, guys, that looks so good. It has a massive mirror as well, which is very handy. I still have no idea what makeup look we're gonna be creating today, but we'll definitely create makeup look using this. I want to do proper review as I always do, and you always ask for the swatches if I review a shadow palette. I'm gonna do swatches. I want to see that too. I want to see how good or bad it is. Okay, let's start from this lightest shade called Alone. Ooh, love this. It's actually harder to get pigment on a lighter shade or like white shade. So far looks promising. Okay, feels very creamy as well. Like on a finger, feels super creamy. Lust, like a peach shade. Okay, that looks promising. Then we have a shade called Divine, which is like a breast pigment, breast shimmer. Oh, you guys, that is so stunning. Another shade we got is called Promise. Once again, breast shimmer. So great. Feels very creamy. It doesn't feel like glitter or anything like this. That's like a lovely highlighter to me. Right now, this one is a pressed pigment. Loads of glitter in here. Let's see if it feels glittery. Oh, feels totally different than any other shade. Doesn't feel like glitter particles or anything. Oh my god, you guys! Whoa! Alright, let's do this. Oh my god, this is insane. All I can say is wow. Alright, guys, I made a boo-boo. I thought I was filming. Turns out my camera turned off and I don't know when it happened. So I did all the swatches. That's how it looks, because it wouldn't be fair if I would refilm this and talk about this, I think. What do you guys think? Sorry for making a boo-boo. I didn't realize when my camera turned off, because it does tend to do that after, and I didn't notice. I got so involved in, you know, swatching these shades and checking it all out. What I can say so far is insanely pigmented. It feels super creamy, except of this shade in here. in the shading here, it has more of a texture to it, not like a glitter. They say it's a pressed pigment, so maybe because of that, because pressed pigment has this like a little particles of glitter, if that makes any sense. So these two feels more textury, if that's a word. The rest of the shades, including the pressed shimmers and mattes, feels extremely creamy, like super creamy, super packed with pigment as well. Just look at these swatches, looks amazing. What do you think? Look how my finger got stained from swatching. That's how pigmented these colors are. Okay, I don't even know what makeup look we should go for, which shades I should use. I wish this would be live so you guys could help me. What do you guys think so far of these swatches? So I'm gonna start by priming my eyelids. Gonna use a Revolution Conceal and Define Concealer in C1, my favorite one. I'm starting from this peachy color called Lust. I'm gonna go kind of the transition color in the eye corner, just in here. As you see, I still don't have the foundation on, so therefore any fallouts or anything we can just wipe it off later. And then with the same shade, I'm going this part here, kind of like a flake would be a bit. Just smoking this part out. Taking this red shade, and I'm gonna go on the top of this, just a bit closer to the inner eye corner and to the crease part, like where your orbital bone is. Taking the same brush I used before, no extra product or anything, and just slightly bit blending these. I'm doing exactly the same on the outer corner. Just this time dragging slightly a bit inwards like the liner would be. I'm taking some concealer and I'm gonna clean up this kind of crease part. And what I'm doing, cleaning up this part in here. Slightly bit. Should look something like this at the moment. Coming back to this peachy shade that we used before, just a tiny bit. I'm gonna go in exactly the same place on the outer corner, so I just want it to be slightly bit more intense. Just tiny bit. Okay, and then the inner part, I want to go full on glitter. I think I'm gonna start with a color called Promise. It's kind of like a champagne shade. Just whisper in here. I'm not touching this liner part because I really like the way it looks actually. Just leaving it where it is. I'm taking this color called Divine, the golden shade, and I'm gonna go with this in the middle of a mobile lid. Kind of packing this color slightly bit on, kind of dragging into this peachy shade. Next thing I'm doing, I'm taking this color called Misery. This is basically like a pressed pigment shimmer thing, and I'm gonna go with this on the outer corner, just a tiny bit, not like overly a lot or anything like this. Really love this color as it has this peachy and golden and kind of red tones in it. I'm doing this, I'm just pressing slightly bit on the outer corner, kind of blending onto this peachy matte color. I'm coming back to this shade and a flat liner brush. I'm gonna go more on this liner part, especially closer to the lash line, because I want this to be more defined. Okay, next thing we have to do is to apply some mascara, and then I'm gonna do full face, and then we can finish off lower lash line. For mascara today I'm using the 5D Lash Mascara by Revolution. Just gonna jump in quickly to my face, come back to you. And I'm back, guys. I'm just fixing my brows a bit. I'm using the Revolution Laminate Brow. This is in a dark brown. Didn't use the color to fill in my brows. I'm just using the shell part for this. Just to keep them kind of feathered. For my brows, I actually used to do the Makeup Obsessions So Fine Brow Pencil in dark brown. Okay, so for low lash line, we're gonna use this peachy shade. It's called Lust. And then the outer corner, I'm coming back to this shade. Just some lash line. Okay guys, we're nearly done. Just gonna apply some mascara on lower lash line. I decided not to go with falsies because I just kind of don't like the look of mascara. Plus my lashes now are way longer as I'm using the Eye Glow lash serum, like lash growth serum. I used it before, I did a video about it actually, and I did kind of like an experiment. I stopped using it to see if my lash is gonna stop growing as long, and it did. So start using this back again, and it doesn't have any side effects like other lash growth serums do. And that's a finished look. What do you guys think? I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. You liked this little review that I did. I personally really like the palette. Love it is paper packed and not plastic. Love it. Colors are super pigmented. I mean, you've seen the swatches, you've seen this. Little bit of a product goes a long way. So if you're gonna go and get this palette, make sure you don't take like a lot on your brush, you know, just a tiny bit. It's super creamy, by the way. It's not powdery or chalky. Here we go, that's a word that's I was looking for, you know, like with some eyeshadow palettes, it feels very chalky. It feels, you guys know what I mean, right? This is not a case, trust me. It feels super creamy. Definitely recommend. And the colors is so beautiful, and it has mattes, shimmers, pressed pigments. Thumbs up from me. Let me know in the comments down below if you enjoyed watching this video. If you like this makeup look that I created, what you guys think of that. As I said, I totally improvise as I do with all my makeup looks. I usually have no idea what I'm doing. Plus, I've seen this palette for the first time in my life. I had no idea what to expect, colors or anything like that. So total improvisation in front of you guys. I hope you enjoyed watching it. If you're gonna go and recreate this makeup look, please tag me in your pictures. I absolutely love to see your creations. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you would like to see next up on my channel. Should I review the rest of the product? And yeah, I shall see you soon. Hit that thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost a penny. So have an amazing day, guys. Ciao!